Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today's video, very important video, Virtusa 17th October evening slot interview experience videos, as well as next batch interview dates, doubts clarify. And in previous video there is a lot of comments will be there, so we'll discuss in the end of this video all these comments. And firstly, most of the students is asking this repeated question. So guys, before start the video, behind the video so much efforts and editing and all this stuff will be there, but just please support, just like and subscribe subscribe my YouTube channel, and for getting the more videos. It will be helpful for the candidates who are regularly applying the jobs and hirings and exams, interviews, all this stuff. Okay, so you can support us and we will definitely give the on time videos for you. Okay, so yeah, so here is the first most repeated doubts for the batch 2. So before going to the experience, so let's discuss like 10 to 20 seconds for this doubt. Okay, so Virtusa round 2 completed for the 15th October 2025. Okay, and yesterday I got the mail to select the location preference. So there is a lot of locations will be there, like Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore and Gurgaon. So you have to select your preferred location, then you have to go to the interview location, then you have to give the interview. Okay, that's the process. But yesterday who are receiving the location preference, you have to wait for that. And who are receiving the location preference mails, you have to wait for after festival. Okay, after festival. So see, you can you can imagine it's a practically you are filling the form, right? Your responses will be in the some data sheet, so they will verify your data. Who are selected for the round 2, they will verify your data and they will give the interview locations. Okay, like suppose if you are selected for the Hyderabad, then they will give the Hyderabad location interviews as per the date mention and time and location. Okay, so you have to wait for that. Okay, so the responses will be on hold after they have verified the responses, and they will give the interview schedule mails. So you have to wait and you have to watch each and every experience videos, then you will get the complete analysis and preparation, all this stuff. Definitely it will be helpful to clear your interview. Okay, so let's get into the interview experience video. So in the end of this video, all these comments will be discussed. So actually this is a Telugu person is giving the experience, but I'll translate it into the English. Okay, so sir, there is a 3 panel members. In interview panel, 3 members will be there. Okay, they have asked as per their needs, like some of the person is asking like Java, some other person is asking SQL related and all this stuff. So like there is a no clarity about in a panel 3 members, or else in a 3 individual interviews. Okay, but this person is saying in a panel there is a 3 members, you have to give the answers whatever the member is asking the questions. Okay, so you have to clear about that. And next, this candidate is preparing some questions, but there is a few questions only repeated. And also yesterday we are making the video, right, for the highest salary and encapsulation question. So those 2 questions also repeated. Okay, I'll show you. So guys, yeah, you can see this is the interview 17th October QA tester engineer role. We are asking so many things like please give me the feedback for the students, like how the interview is going on beginning to ending. Yeah, we are asking so many students for the feedback, but only few students is giving the some just text message. So guys, in upcoming batches who are attending the software developer interviews, or else recently who are attending the interviews, so please come up with confidence and don't be shy, and you can give the videos complete experience. I can upload in my YouTube channel, it will be helpful many students. as well as in future also most of the students will be watching your videos, so it will be helpful for others. So be kind and please come up with the confidence and give me the feedback videos for the interview, real-time interviews, so that will be students will understand easily. Okay, so here is the questions. Okay, so these are the two interview students questions. One is the some other student, I don't know name, but this person is the Telugu person. Why show today interview candidate? I can save this number like this. So you can see questions: SDLC, test acceptance, test case, encapsulation syntax, and SQL query, second highest salary. Have you observed our previous video? Encapsulation question, I'm mostly saying encapsulation question will become like this. So encapsulation question will be came today's interview video 17th October, some other afternoon to evening slot in between this slot this student is interview is completed. Okay, and the next question, SQL query, second highest salary. You can check our previous video, second highest salary question also we have mentioned and we have tell you. So please guys, this question is very important, and there is a palindrome and prime number, all this stuff also there, but we have already told you SQL query, second highest salary question. Okay, so today date was the 17th, right? 16th October 16th October student also receiving this highest salary question, so make sure you have to practice this highest salary question. Okay, so next defect cycle, and I'm asking is the interview will be hard or else medium? So not that much hard, it's a level of medium interview. So you just understand as per the what interview questions, whatever the interviewers is asking the questions. In a panel there is a three members, you have to answer each and every member. Okay, so why I am showing the repeated questions? So this person is one, this person is the second person, this left side person is the first person, right side person is the second person, right? You can observe SDLC common. Okay, oops concept is common. Okay, encapsulation is common. You can see code on encapsulation, second person will get the code on encapsulation, first person is get the encapsulation syntax. Okay, so here is the what is the selenium. Okay, here is the SQL query, second highest salary. So selenium question also we have mentioned in the previous video, you can check and you have to practice accordingly. Okay, you just take the each and every video questions repeated, so you have to note down and you have to practice those questions easily. Okay, easily 90% of questions is repeated in the after festival interviews like software developer. Okay, most of the student is mistaken for the those who are preparing for the interview. You make sure you have to take the repeated questions, then almost 90% repeated whatever the questions they ask. Okay, so at least 10 members to 20 members will getting the these questions like SDLC and encapsulation, highest salary, and what is the selenium, all this stuff. But second person will getting the only few questions like what is the testing and its suit and its sorry what is the testing and what are the tools in that. Okay, so next oops concept, and next SDLC. Okay, so you have to prepare all this stuff. And next was, yeah, I have one more point I have to discuss in a thumbnail. Yeah, next batch interviews, dates and doubts clarify. I'm already told you, right? Oh, after festival like around 23rd to 24th 25th interviews will be going on, so you have to prepare for that. Okay, and the next yesterday video questions is repeated. Yes, yesterday videos questions is repeated, highest salary question also repeated, encapsulation and all this stuff. And the next yeah, one more point was resume. Who are mentioning Java in your resume, those students have chances for the getting the good response Java questions. Okay, if you mention in a Python programming language in your resume, so please remove Python programming language in your resume. Okay, why? Because they are hiring for Java roles, you have to prepare Java questions, then you will be high chances for getting the Java questions, and if you answer the questions correctly, and you will be selected. Okay, so listen, they are not hired for the Python developer, they are hiring for the Java developer and the testing. So please make sure you have to mention Java in your resume, then only you have a high chances for selection. Otherwise, if you mention Python, they will be rejected because the opening roles was Java. You make sure understand the situation, and you can prepare accordingly your resume. That's a very important. Okay, yeah, that's all about the interview experience, and let's get into the doubts section. So, do they ask these questions only? So guys, how we can give the like directly saying these questions is comes, these are the only questions is our interview will be asking? That's bullshit thing. Okay, so these are the questions today interview experience, and yesterday whatever the we posted in the video yesterday interview experience, these are the questions. You have to take these questions, you have to practice accordingly. Okay, so that's the first point, the first comment. And exactly how many days before the interview schedule Virtusa give mail for the interview after survey mail? I'm already told you after festival interviews is started, you have to wait for that. Okay, so don't ask or repeated questions. So, and next question was, bro, in a SQL mainly what topics we have to learn? Query. Okay, rdbms, and there is a table creation, table delete the table, and insert the table, and yeah, all this stuff will be there, right? SQL, who are learning in the SQL technology, then you have to aware of that. Yeah, you can prepare accordingly. Okay, so what about Python? What is that question? If you it's a Java openings, so they will be hire only Java knowledge students. So if you have a Python knowledge, so please learn some, whatever the questions we are providing in the Java, you have to learn, then you have to answer, then you will get the Java opening, like you are selected for the Java opening role. Okay, so next, bro, I am skilled in Python, so is there any chance to that inter? Yeah, I'm already told you, it's a Java programming openings roles. Java developer, mostly they are hiring for the Java developers. If you have a Python, what is the use of this opening? So we have to learn some Java. Okay, next, after technical, after tech, HR is the, is there normal HR? Yeah, it's a normal online HR round. So we have to wait for that. It's an online HR round. Okay, next, for software developer role, will everyone having coding second assessment on the same day, or it varies? No, it's a batch wise. Batch wise, students will getting the round two mails, the communication rounds, all this stuff. So batch wise they will get. We have to attempt accordingly. Next, do they ask us to write any code? Yes, they will ask, or else they will show the code, and they will whatever the like logic they are asking after showing the question. Okay, they show one question, they ask the logic. And next, if we got location preference email, that means I got selected for the technical interview. Of course, yeah, of course. But in a worst case, there is a 10% chances for a rejection, but in a 90 to 99%, you were shortlisted for the round 3. That was the technical interview, round 3. Bro, in a mail also they mention clearly you are shortlisted for the round 3. Again you are asking, sir, after getting the location preference, I got selected for the technical interview. This is a normal question. You will be selected, that's why you are receiving the round 3. They are clearly mentioned in your resume as well, sorry, in email as well. Is there any bond? Actually, Virtusa has doesn't any bond, but in last like 2022 joinings have bond, I think. So you can check in Google if possible. I got location preference mail. Is there any expected mail for the location details, like where we have to attend an interview? If you selected Hyderabad, then you will get the Hyderabad interview location. That's it. Simple. Difficulty level of interview, yeah, medium to medium level of interview. Okay, because there is a lot of students will be there, so they have interview each and every student. So there is a medium level. They have only 5 to 6 questions. They ask 5 to 6 questions. If you answer 5 to 6 questions, then you will be selected. That's it, simple. In a round 2, how many questions should I complete to get the shortlisted for the interview? Bro, at least 2.5 questions or 2 questions. It depends on the competition or luck. And next, do for software developer role. Yeah, actually, software developer role interviews is not yet started. If they started, everyone must and should share your interview experience, if possible, video experience. Then I can upload. It will help other batches. Okay, so be kind and be supporters. Okay, and make an interview video for software developer. Yeah, already answered for that query. And next, what skills must be mentioned for the testing role in resume for freshers? So firstly, Java is important. Next, you can check whatever the topics will be there for the testing, like Selenium, all these tools and all. If you don't know the tools and all, so don't mention, because they are asking if you are a fresher, how you know the all this stuff, like all these tools. Have you using testing in your any college project on all the, like there is a different questions they are asking if you mention different tools in your resume. So please uh, understand understand interview point of view also, and prepare accordingly your resume. And the next question and the next query is, I got location preference mail for the interview, so that am I qualified for the interview round? Someone please reply. Bro, they clearly mention you are shortlisted for the round 3 technical interview. That means you are selected for the interview. So please make sure you have to fill the location preference, and you will get the interview mail, and you have to start your interview preparation. That's the thing we have to tell everyone. Okay, so helpful. Okay, helpful. Anyone from Mumbai interview? I don't know, bro. I don't know, brother. But if anyone is Mumbai location interview is completed, please respond in comment section. Bro, this question for Virtusa Hackathon SD 25 or any other role. Actually, it's a Hackathon Neuralink hiring. So there is a testing and software developers roles, two roles. These are the two roles. Exams and interviews is going on. So which location is easy for interview? Might be less competition locations like Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, like that. I got interview preference mail at yesterday. Didn't mention tester role or developer role. What should I have to prepare? Bro, while applying, you know the thing, right? Whatever the role you have mentioned, apply. So you can check accordingly. Next, how can I know whether my role? Yeah, same thing. What about the candidate who knows C++ and Python only, not so good in Java? For the interview, you just prepare the Java, okay? Because it's a Java opening. Yeah. So that's all about today's video, guys. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. In the next video, I can add this doubts related stuff in the end of this video, end of the every video, so it will helpful for many other students, like who are asking doubts repeatedly. Okay, so here is the important topics. You have to prepare accordingly. I can share the PDFs and you can prepare each and every topics. So most of the questions is repeated once again. 1 minute recap for the this interview experience video: SDLC questions, SQL related, and encapsulation testing for the important topics. We have to prepare accordingly. You just follow our videos. Definitely it will be helpful. Okay, so if anyone have interviews on tomorrow, so you just mention in comment section, or else you can directly message in WhatsApp, so you can share your interview experience videos uh, tomorrow. So we will upload in our YouTube channel, and also we will video for the tomorrow, like who are completed today's interview, like real time interview experience with candidate. So we are asking for the candidate selfie video. So if they okay to give the video, then we will upload it. Okay, so I hope this video is very helpful. So thank you, bye bye.